Hey everyone, so I'm back. I know a couple of months ago I took my DNA test and just coming back to give the results. So I'll put it in the video. So the result is that I'm 99.9 Chinese or Southeast Asian, 82% Chinese, 12% Chinese dye, and then 4.2% Vietnamese with 1% of the Southeast Asian. So that's the result. So you have the mixed technology. Go take it and see what your genetic makeup is. You might be surprised. You don't know. Somewhere along the line, you might have some people that became your grandmas that are contributing to the DNA genetics here. So that's our result. Just want to shoot that out for everybody. And if you have any questions, leave the comments below. Okay, bye-bye.